Hello everyone, welcome here in 6th class maths. Students, today we will start exercise 5D. Now let's start. In exercise 5D, question number 1, find the products. First part is here 2 upon 5 multiplied by 5 upon 80. First of all, we have to cancel out the common factors. Yes, 5 we can cancel by this 5. And 2 and 18 both are common factors of 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18. In numerator we are getting 1 multiplied by 1 and in denominator 1 multiplied by 9. Yes, answer is 1 upon 9. Second, 6 upon 7 multiplied by 35 upon 8. Yes, here 6 and 8 both are common factor of 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 7 and 35 both are common factors of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 5s are 35. In numerator we are getting 3 multiplied by 5, in denominator 1 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 1 multiplied by 4, 4. 15 upon 4. Yes, this fraction in the form of improper fraction. We can convert this in mixed fraction. Then we are getting 3 whole 3 upon 4. Question number 2, first part. 6 multiplied by 7 upon 8. 6 and 8 both are common factor of 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now 3 multiplied by 7 upon 4. 3 multiplied by 7, 21 upon 4. 21 upon 4, improper fraction. We are getting, after changing this in mixed fraction, 5 whole 1 upon 4. Second part, 9 upon 20 multiplied by 8. Yes. Here 8 and 20 both are common factor of 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. Yes, 9 upon 5 multiplied by 2. Yes, 9 multiplied by 2, 18 upon 5. And the mixed form for this, 5 whole 3 upon 5. So in the rest part of this question number 1 and 2, you have to complete yourself in homework. Come to this question number 3. First part is here 2 whole 2 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 12. First of all, we have to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 multiplied by 2, 6 plus 2, 8 upon 3. Multiply by 5 upon 12. 8 and 12 both are common factors of 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. In numerator we are getting 2 multiplied by 5, in denominator 3 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 5, 10 upon 9. And the mixed form for this, 1 whole 1 upon 9. Second part, 12 upon 25 multiplied by 6 whole 2 upon 3. 12 upon 25, yes, and the mixed form for this, improper form. 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 18 plus 2, 20 upon 3. 25 and 20 both are divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, and 12 and 3, these are divisible by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 4s are 12. 4 multiplied by 4, we are getting this in numerator, and denominator 5 multiplied by 1. 4 multiplied by 4, 16, 5 multiplied by 5, 5. 16 upon 5, and the mixed form for this, 3 whole 1 upon 5. Third and fourth, you have to do in homework of this question number 3. Come to this question number 4. Yes, first part is here 12 multiplied by minus 5 upon 6. Yes, 5, this with the negative sign. This sign we will retain with numerator. Yes, if there is any negative sign, we have to retain this with numerator. 12 and 6 both are a common factor of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is a 12. 2 multiply by 5. Yes, and with the minus sign. Then minus 2 multiply by 5, minus 10. Second part, minus 4 upon 75 multiply by 30. Both are a common factor of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. 3 10s are 30. Yes. Again this 25 and 10 are divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Then we are getting in numerator minus 4 multiplied by 2, 8. And in denominator 5. Yes, minus 4 multiplied by 8, minus 8 upon 5. And the mixed form for this minus 1 whole upon minus 1 3 upon 5. Minus 1 whole 3 upon 5. Third and fourth, try yourself. In question number 5, he is asking about the reciprocals. So, you have to know what is this reciprocal. Yes. Reciprocal of an integer or a fraction. A number is called the reciprocal of another number if the product of the two numbers is 1. Yes, that will be the reciprocal. If the product of two numbers is 1. Now come to the question number 5. Yes. Write the reciprocals of the following numbers. 12. Reciprocal for this 12 will be 1 upon 12. If we multiply this 12 and 1 upon 12, then we are getting 1. 12 cancelled by this, then 1 we are getting. It means reciprocal of the 12 is 1 upon 12. In second part, 13 upon 17. Reciprocal for this 17 upon 13. Yes, 13 upon 17 is given. If we will multiply this by reciprocal, that will be 17 upon 13. Yes, 17 cancel by this 17, 13 cancel out by this 13, then we are getting 1. It means reciprocal of 13 upon 17 will be 17 upon 13. Like this rest part of this question number 5, try yourself. Next is question number 6, find the values. Yes. Here, first part of this question number 6, a divided by 12 upon 25. This is your dividend and this is your divisor. Yes. Student, here, first, we have to multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of divisor. What will be the reciprocal of this divisor? 12 upon 25, 25 upon 12. Yes. In this first step, we have to multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. Yes. Reciprocal of the divisor 25 upon 12. Now 8 and 12, both are common factors of 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. In numerator, we are getting 2 multiplied by 25. 2 multiplied by 25, 50. And in denominator, 3. 50 upon 3. And the mixed form will be for this 16 whole 2 upon 3. Second part, 14 upon 15 divided by 7. Yes. We have to multiply the dividend and the reciprocal of the divisor. Yes, reciprocal of this divisor 7 will be 1 upon 7. Yes. And we have to multiply. Yes. 14 and 7. Both are common factor of 7. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. Yes. In numerator we are getting 2 multiplied by 1. In denominator only 15. Yes. 15 multiplied by 1. Answer is 2 upon 15. Third and fourth, try yourself of this question number 6. Come to this 7, 3 whole 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 8. First of all, we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fractions. 3 whole 1 upon 4, 4 multiplied by 3, 12 plus 1, 13 upon 4. This is the improper form of this fraction. Now we have to find the reciprocal of divisor. Reciprocal of this 1 upon 8 will be 8 upon 1. Yes, 4 and 8 both are common factor of 4. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Yes, in numerator we are getting 13 multiplied by 2, in denominator 1 multiplied by 1. Then 13 multiplied by 2, 26. Second part of this question number 7. 1 upon 5 divided by 1 whole 1 upon 10. 1 upon 5 divided by, yes, first of all we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 10 multiplied by 1, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 10. And now we have to find the multiply of dividend and reciprocal of divisor. What will be the reciprocal of this divisor? 10 upon 11. 1 upon 5 multiplied by 10 upon 11. 5 and 10 both are common factor of 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. We can cancel out. 1 multiplied by 2, 2 is here, and 1 multiplied by 11, 11, 2 upon 11. Last two part of this question number 7. Try yourself. Now come to this question number 8. Fill in the blanks. Yes, in first part 1 multiplied by 5 upon 16. Yes, 1 multiplied by 5 upon 16. We will get 5 upon 16. In second, 7 upon 10 multiply by 0. If we will multiply number by 0, then we will get 0. Answer is 0. 12 upon 5 multiply by 5 upon 12. This is third part. We can cancel out this 12 by 12, 5 by 5, 1 upon 1. Answer will be 1. Yes. These are the reciprocal of each other. 4. Minus 6 upon 11. Multiply by minus 11 upon 6. Yes. This is the reciprocal of this minus 6 upon 11. Yes. And the product of reciprocals will be 1. Now come to the question number 9. Yes. Find the following. 2 upon 3 multiply by 9 upon 16 multiply by 4 upon 27. Yes. Find out the common factors. Yes. 3 and 9 both are common factor for 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is the 9. 2 and 16 common factor of 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is the 16. Yes, what we are getting in numerator 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. In denominator 1 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 27. Here, yes, 4 and 8 both are common factor of 4. Yes, we can cancel out this in numerator and denominator. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Now we are getting one more also, yes, 3 and 27. These are also common factor of 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 9 is 27. In numerator we are getting 1. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1, 1. And in denominator 2, 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9, 18. 1 upon 18. Come to this second part. 14 upon 25 multiply by 35 upon 51 multiply by 17 upon 49. Yes. Here 7 and 49 both are common factors for 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 7 is 49. In numerator what we are getting? 14 upon 5 multiply by 3 upon 1 upon 3. Yes, 1 is here, and then 1 upon 7. Here 7 and 14 are common factor of 7. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. Now in numerator what we are getting? 2 multiply by 1, and in denominator 5 multiplied by 3. Yes, this is cancelled. 2 multiply by 1, 2 is here, and 3 multiply by 3, 15. 2 upon 15. Third part of question number 1. 42 upon 65 multiply by 39 upon 56 multiply by 24 upon 27. Here 42 and 56 both are common factor of 14. 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56. And this 65 and 39 both are common factors of 13. 13 fives are 65 and 13 threes are 39. Yes. Now what we are getting is 42 and 56 both are divisible by 14. This is going 3 times, this is going 2 times. Yes. What we are getting 2 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 4, and now this 24 upon 27 both are divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 29, 8 upon 9. Yes. In second step here 3 and 9 both are common factors of 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 3s are 9. And 4 and 8, 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 3 upon 5 multiply by 1 upon 1 multiply by 2 upon 3. Yes. In numerator we are getting 2 multiply by yes, here 3 and we can cancel this 3 by 3. Then we are getting in numerator 1 multiply by 2, 2. 5 multiply by 1, 5. 2 upon 5. Yes, this will be the answer. In fourth part, 2 whole 1 upon 9 multiply by 5 upon 38 multiply by 2 whole 1 upon 5. Friends, first of all we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 9 multiply by 2, 18 plus 1, 19 upon 9. Multiply by 5 upon 38. And then 2 multiply by 5, 10 plus 1, 11 upon 5. Yes. Now 19 and 38. We can cancel out this by 19. 19 1 is 19, 19 to the 38. Yes. Then we are getting 1 upon 9 multiply by 5 upon 2, 11 upon 5. Now we can cancel this 5 by 5. Then in numerator we are getting 11 multiplied by 11, and in denominator 9 multiplied by 2, 18. 11 upon 18. This is the answer. Come to this question number 10. 3 upon 8, yes, first part is here, 3 upon 8 of which is 30. Yes. Let the required number be x. 3 upon 8 of x means we will replace this of by multiply, and on solving this we are getting 30. Yes, 3 upon 8 of which is 30, it means we will put here the value of x. 3 upon 8 multiply by x is equal to 30. Now student, we will take this fraction on right hand side. If we will shift this on other side, then it will comes in dividation. 30 divided by 3 upon 8. Yes, x is equal to 30 divided by 3 upon 8. And students, you know very well, we have to find out the reciprocal of this divisor. And then we will find the multiply of dividend and reciprocal of divisor. Reciprocal of this 3 upon 8 will be 8 upon 3. 30 multiplied by 8 upon 3. 30 and 3 both are divisible by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 tens are 30. 30 multiplied by 8, 8. This is the value of x and the required number. Next is second part. 5 upon 6 of which is 120. Let the required number be x. 5 upon 6 of x is equal to 120. 5 upon 6 multiplied by x. Yes, 120. Now we will take this fraction on that side with the 120. Then it will come with dividation. Yes, x is equal to 120 divided by 5 upon 6. Here student, we have to find out the multiply of dividend and reciprocal of this divisor. Reciprocal of this divisor will be 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5. Yes. And we will replace this sign of division by multiply. Yes, 5 and 120 both are divisible by 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. 24 multiplied by 6. 144. This is the required number. Yes, student. Rest part of this question number 9 and 10 you have to do in homework. Thank you.